we've had these periods where, global liquidity goes sideways, and actually Bitcoin usually tops before global liquidity tops out.
But when the rate of change of global liquidity slows down, it starts topping.
Because this has been driven by, in the past, a lot of central bank activity as well. So central banks move very, very slowly, but the market detects when when break-even starts to break high, the market starts pricing in higher inflation, that the central banks will have to pivot. But they don't pivot on a dime unless it's an emergency when they're adding liquidity, but never when they're withdrawing. So usually Bitcoin will sniff it out many months in advance, and we'll see the top form, and then global liquidity will roll over. So, global liquidity can only contract or go sideways for a certain amount of time because the whole system is so indebted that their default risk rises, and also just the interest cost on debt becomes too excessive. So there's always an impulse to add liquidity. And so like a beach ball under the water, if you keep it down for too long, it's going to burst out. And we're starting to break out now.